What is up, Prince Squad? I'm down here at the ISS in H-Town, Houston, and I got somebody with me this time. Last time I was by myself. Hi guys, what up, squad? Yeah, we trying to see how we get up in here. Might be able to go in right there, but let me see. Let me see. Yeah, it works. All right, we in here. Go through this store. It's already open. We made it inside.
T-shirt chick.
What is up, Prince Squad? I just wanted to come on here right quick and let you guys know this video right here that you're watching, the ISS video, I did have some technical difficulties while filming this video. So I had some audio issues, so I'm going to show you guys the footage that I filmed, and the parts that have audio, I'm going to play them, and the parts that do not have audio, I'm going to just voice over and, you know, try to explain and describe to you guys what was going on in the video. And I'm sorry about that. I mean, I just had issues, and I did find out after running a few tests, my mic that I normally use with this camera was not working. Like I don't know, it's got some type of shortage or just stopped working. So, you know, I'm gonna just go ahead and jump right into the video.
So most of this design it's just printing like you'd normally do. I'm not putting the underbase on this one. Well, this one's already done. We left on here. So the foil glue, I'm letting that get heated up, make it good and tacky. Then I'm gonna put a piece of foil on it here in a second. And so far, I've been doing kind of a poor job of getting it on there properly. We'll see how this works this time. That's not a big enough piece.
All right, Prince Squad, that was all of the audio that I had from the video. So now I'm going to have to go into explaining and doing the voiceover to let you guys know what is actually going on in the video. So yeah, we're about to get started with that. What is up, Prince Squad? I am here with Matt from the Rhinestone world, as you guys know. If you don't know, now you know. So basically right here, you know, Matt was just talking a little bit about, you know, the Rhinestone world, because that's what he do. And you guys can check him out. He got his own YouTube channel on here. I'm sure a lot of you are already following him. And you can check him out at the Rhinestone World YouTube channel. So, you know, I'm just there looking crazy in the camera. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how I do. But yeah, so now we about to get into some serious stuff right after this interview right here. Okay, so right here we got the Rhinestone Ninja right here. She actually takes rhinestones and blings out anything. Like, as you see some of the things around, you see her shirt. She is like showing the video right here where she actually blinged out a whole car, y'all. The full car is like blinged out with rhinestones, and she do them like one by one by hand. She actually has a team of rhinestoners, and right there, as you see, Tina is checking out the little rhinestone applicator tool. And you know, she just kind of explaining how you do everything one by hand. And you know, basically that tool is a big help when you're doing stuff like that. And she's showing us the pricing sheets right there, showing the things that they offer. And I'm checking out the blinging on different things like those cups and stuff right there. As you see, you want a closer look. All right, I'm gonna let you check it out a little bit. Right there, you see how it's blinging, shining like some diamonds right there. Shine bright like a diamond, like Rihanna. And check this Cubs hat out. It's like a Cubs batter's hat. And basically what she was saying is the Cubs is the only thing that they can do because that's Matt's team. And as you know, we are in Houston with the Astros. That same night they had a Star Wars game, you know. And I'm checking out that mouse, and she's like, yeah, I've also blinged out my fingernails right here with the rhinestone. So check that out. But that ring right there, that's not rhinestone. That ring is actually real. So yeah, don't get it twisted. But yeah, I'm just checking out this other mug, but I didn't want to spill out whatever that was in it, the glue. And all right, Print Squad, right here I am with a Print Squad member. I believe his name was Marcus, if I remember correctly. And I'm sorry, Marcus, but I had the audio issues. We didn't get to hear what you had to say in this video, but I really do appreciate you coming to hang out with me for a minute. And I really enjoy meeting y'all when I come out. And really, that's the main reason that I went to the Houston ISS, because I knew it wasn't really that big. So, you know, that's what that. Okay, this is just one of the embroidery machines right here, and as you see, it's embroidering. That thing is going super fast too. Right there is working on a design. And actually, if you're going to get into something like embroidery, you're going to need multiple heads. They have 1, 2, 3, 4 heads, or I guess what they call, that's what they're called, the heads or the machines. You know, you can do 4 at a time. And this is actually the end result, what it looks like when they got completed with it or done with it. All right, so now I am checking out some of the sign printers or the solvent printers by Rolling. Right there, as you guys see, it is printing a awesome sign, huge sign. I don't even know the exact measurements of it right there, but I'm just kind of getting up close on. As you see, it is like perfect photo quality. I mean, it looks nice. That's the one of their true viz. So you can check it out. That's another sign that they had printed, you know, just checking those out. I don't think I'll be getting into the sign printing anytime soon, but just want to let you guys check that out. All right, now Tina is actually, you know, doing her screen print. That she's doing like a first time screen print. So we're over at Brown right there, and the guy's helping us out and, you know, kind of explaining, hey, you missed the spot. So she had to go back in and hit that spot right there that she missed, and we're gonna check it out and see. Bye, y'all. It came out perfect. She did a good job on that print. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to screen printing now, Tina. All right, so I'm over here. We are actually taking a little break. It's almost the end of the day. Had a little nacho and a little carrot cake cupcake. And y'all know what? Y'all know your girl really don't drink. What's up, Rye? He's over there. He's like, surf's up, dude. You know, that's how the California people talk, you know. But y'all make sure y'all check out Rye Beats, you know, and he do a lot of videos. And right there, y'all know your girl don't drink, but they got me sipping on a cup of wine. You know, at the ISS show, they always have a happy hour where they offer free wine. So yeah, we just over there clowning around and stuff. And there's Tina talking crazy to me like she did the whole time we was there. And she's drinking her wine. You know, she like her wine now. And she had the red wine. I had the supposed to be white wine, but it looks yellow. So, you know, I'm taking little small sips. I don't want to be staggering around and stuff. And that stuff is kind of strong right there. So, you know, I'm having to tap on my chest a little bit. So right there, we all just hanging out, y'all. Look who actually came and sat at the table with us. It was me, Rob Beats, Ryan, Mikey Designs, aka Matt, the Shop Known, aka Shannon, and my girl Tina. So Ryan from Ryanette actually came and he saw us hanging together, so he just sat down at the table with us. And at this time, you know, we just chilling, and Matt's like, "Hi, how you doing? I'm happy to be here." You know, and Tina and Ryan, Tina and Rye are both from California, so you know we got the California connection going on over here. All right, so another couple of Print Squad members, and I'm sorry, y'all, I don't remember your names, but I enjoyed meeting y'all, and they actually was sitting at the table next to us. And it's about time to shut down. The ISS is actually almost done for the day. So we all like filming each other, filming everything, you know, just clowning around. You know how we do when we get together. But okay, so we outside, we filming a little bit. We actually took a few pictures and stuff like that. And you know, just chilling, hanging out, seeing what we gonna get into a little bit later and stuff like that. Yeah, and I can't hold a camera right, so okay, we got it right now. And Matt love waving his hands, don't he, y'all? I don't know, he was inside waving, now he outside waving. We might as well do the whole wave on this one right here. But yeah, there's Rob Beats dancing like a leprechaun or something. I don't know. Y'all know my boy be clowning sometimes. And there's Shannon, Rise over there like, don't jump, Shannon. But I don't think she gonna jump in there. She just chilling and stuff. Yeah, so we just talking and trying to see, you know, it's a little after party that we're going to end up going to later on today or the day of this video. And there's Tina over there probably taking some Instagram pics. I'm pretty sure that's what she's doing over there. Yeah, so I appreciate you guys tuning in. I got part 2 coming soon, and I will see you in the next video. Print Squad out.